All right, I've got my serial spreadsheet. I've got my filters set up, although nothing is filtered at the moment. And I'm curious, I want to find, instead of just having all the information and looking at it, I want to do some things with it. I want to find the mean of some of these. So like, what's the average calories per serving of these cereals? So first, let's start out by, I could do it a couple ways, right? I know the formula. That's I'm supposed to add all these up together and divide by how many there are. And it looks like, let's see, I'm in row 77 and there's one, subtract one row on the top. So 76. So I could add them all up and divide by 76. Let's see if I can get any help with that. Or looks like sum. So it tells me the sum, that's when the total looks like 8,130. So if I wanted to, I could do 8,130 divided by 76. So I'm going to type in equals 8,130 divided by 76. And I'm going to get 106.973. All right. Well, what if I just want to do, maybe I just want to look at something else. So there should be an easier way to do that, right? And that's, I'm going to hit equals, and look, I've already got a suggestion for what, and that's sum of the range of cells from D2 to D77. So that's all of those that are highlighted. So the sum, but instead of sum, maybe I want the mean, but Google Sheets calls that average. So if I do that, now that's the average of everything above it, which is cool. Now I'm gonna, let's see, I'm gonna shrink, not shrink, but I'm gonna reduce the decimal point. So let's round it to like the nearest tenth of a calorie. And then if I grab that little dot in the corner of the cell with this skinny plus and click and drag, it copied that formula. And the formula was average everything in the column above it from row 2 to row 77. So these are all the averages of all of the cereals. So the average weight of a serving, the average shelf. I don't even know what shelf means. I don't know what the vitamins mean. Maybe that's percent of daily allowance, but of which vitamins? Who knows? This is probably milligrams of potassium, grams of sugar, grams of carb. So I've got all the averages there. Now, maybe I'll write in here, I'll write all averages. And let's now, I'm going to sort these. So now, if we want, maybe we can do, let me find the averages of General Mills cereal. And so those are the ones with the manufacturer is G. And I'm going to say, all right, so for here, I'm going to type in again, equals average, AVERAGE, open parentheses. But now I don't want all of these. I'm just going to go up and with my cursor, select the ones. I'm just going to select these ones because these are the cereals that are manufacturer G. Then I'm going to put a close parentheses. So it looks like I'm on row cell D2 through D23 and hit return. So this is the average for General Mills cereal. And if I wanted to do that for everything else, I could just click and drag, and that would be the mils. So that's a basic way to find the average for something. All right.